Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging the Conga 3490 Elite from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, flip the robot over to access the underside. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the base cover is removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the robot. A clean environment will help prevent future issues and ensure optimal performance. Now locate the wheel motor. It is typically situated near the wheels and connected by several screws. Using your spanner, carefully unscrew the motor from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. If you encounter any difficulties, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in identifying any issues with your device. Once the motor is free, disconnect the wiring harness attached to it. Gently pull the connector to avoid damaging the wires. If the connector is stuck, use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Now take your new wheel motor and connect it to the wiring harness. Ensure the connection is secure, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. With the new motor in place, align it with the mounting holes and use your spanner to secure it. Make sure it is tightly fastened to prevent any movement during operation. Before reassembling the base cover, it's a good idea to test the new motor. Plug the device back in and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. If the motor operates smoothly, proceed to replace the base cover. Align it properly and use your Phillips screwdriver to secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, give the robot a thorough inspection to ensure everything is in place. Clean the exterior if necessary, and your Conga 3490 Elite should be ready for use. If you prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service to get your appliance back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.